Hi guys, welcome back. So today we've got this brand new Audi TTRS in for a Milltek exhaust system. But before we jump into it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also the notification bell, then you won't miss if our new videos go live. So installing a Milltek exhaust system on this TTRS. This particular TTRS has got the gasoline particulate filters or GPFs fitted from the factory, so the sound is a little bit more muted than what you would usually expect from this 5-cylinder turbo engine. So we're going to upgrade the Milltek exhaust system. It's going to replace the exhaust system from the GPF-Back, so it leaves the GPFs intact. So we're going to record the standard exhaust sounds and then the exhaust sounds when we've got the Milltek exhaust system fitted. But first things first, let's get the car in the workshop. I will show you the parts, get them fitted, and then show you the sounds after and let us know what you think. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously, if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.